Hey guys, so in the art room we were supposed to do lots of skill building today, and here is a list of the different skills that we're building. And we can build a tower, make a spiral, make things divide, make the dominoes divide, make a solid field. Maybe test out velocity by putting them closer and further apart and see which is faster. Create a triangle, make some stairs and towers. So those are some skills that we're building today. And here are some videos of our experiences. Here is the visual we used with the list of all the skills they were to practice. Here the kids began to use the furniture and the floor to continue working. Miss Keogh, my colleague with whom I'm planning this unit with, came up with this wonderful idea of using dry erase markers on the tables to plan ahead. Students used their devices to record both the building process and the knocking down process. So in the art room, we wanted to see if the dominoes that were placed closer together were faster than the dominoes that were placed further apart. So we made an experiment and we made sure that the distance was the same and that the time in which the dominoes were touched or pushed were also the same in order to have a nice, clean experiment. So here is what we found out. With this experiment, we found out that the dominoes, when they're placed closer together, fall faster. In this experiment, one lane did not fall, making the experiment void. Students enjoyed recording their process. The highlight of our week is that Lily Hevish herself liked our tweets.